What's up? We are 97 Sound, half of 97 Sound. My name is Finesse.
What's up? I'm Lovely, LAE. We brought a show out the making of Cassper Nyovest, Doc Shebeleza, and we brought a show out Hustlin, featuring Ice Prince by Sina Rambo.
We can all
make
do
those
it.
beats, so let's go.
It's been done.
So with Hustlin, I started off with this
Strings.
I added them strings, then man Sean added this brass. From that part, we knew it was a trap song, so we just started adding a bunch of shit like bells, ups. I added this kick with the 808. Yeah, then I added some percussion, snares, chains. Also added this little sound right here. It actually pans. And then yeah, basically that's all. How we came about it hustling was we actually approached David Rose's manager. Yeah, and he got us to Sina Rambo, and then the rest was history.
My money was to complete. Yeah, we be hustling every day. Yeah, we making that money, man. Fuck what you say. Yeah, no reform my matter. My money was to complete.
I'm Shebeleza, Doc Shebeleza, I'm Shebeleza.
How Doc Shebeleza was made, I sent a tweet to Cassper and he replied and he gave me his email. And after that, we just sent him a couple of beats. And then in like a day or so, he took the beat and recorded and the song was done and everything. Okay, this is what I started with. I started with the brass. Just to get that feeling. Then after that, we did the brass that goes with the lower brass.
The hard shit.
That hard shit. And then after that, we did like the organ. The drums. And then after that, we did the kicks. Y'all know the kick. And the 808. Just the shit on the hook. Yeah. You can't really hear this one too though. And then the hi-hats. We did and the arps. Yeah, that's pretty much everything. And then we both. And ever since then, like we've been doing like a lot of shit, a lot of placements. We've been working hard.
Yeah, cooking up, nigga. In the studio, yeah, so that was basically the preview of the beats right there. Hustling and Doc Shebeleza.